ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಊರಿಗೊಬ್ಬ ರಾಜನಂತೆ ಎಂಬ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಇದು 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಪಾಠ 2. ಊರಿಗೊಬ್ಬ. This word we can divide it into 2 words, that is ಊರಿಗೆ plus ಒಬ್ಬ. ಊರಿಗೆ means for the town, ಒಬ್ಬ means one. So both the words combine together to form ಊರಿಗೊಬ್ಬ. Raja means king. Okay? As there was one king for the town. The title means as there was one king for the town. ಊರಿಗೊಬ್ಬ ರಾಜನಂತೆ. Here you can see ante everywhere. See here. Ante means that ante mixes with one more word and makes the full word. Here ante means as. In Hindi it is jaisa. Jaisa wo hai, jaisa wo yaha hai. We use it, right? As or jaisa. The same way it is ante, and the whole poem has the word ante with another word as here. Raja plus ante. Rajanante. As there was one king for the town. ಪಾಠ ಪೂರ್ವ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ. Activities before going to the rhyme. ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳು. Tell the answer for the questions. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರಿನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? Here ಹೆಸರೇನು, again it has 2 words, ಹೆಸರು plus ಏನು. ಹೆಸರು means name, ಏನು is what. What is your town name? ನೀವು ಯಾರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡುತ್ತೀರಿ? With whom you will play the game. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ಆಟ ಯಾವುದು? Here ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ is like or favorite. Which is your favorite game? Here ನಿಮಗೆ means to you or your. In this context it will be which is your favorite game. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಆಟಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡುತ್ತೀರಿ? Which all games you will play? Here what you can notice is these questions have ನಿಮ್ಮ, ನೀವು, ನಿಮಗೆ. Again ನೀವು here. See, these are like sounds similar words, right? Let us learn these similar words first, okay? ನಿಮ್ಮ means your. ನೀವು means you. ನಿಮಗೆ means to you or your. Okay? See, all these seems to be similar with a little difference. ನಿಮ್ಮ, ನೀವು, ನಿಮಗೆ. Let's go read the poem and understand. ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಊರಿತ್ತಂತೆ. ಊರು means town. As there was a town, ಊರಿಗೊಬ್ಬ ರಾಜನಂತೆ. As there was a king for that town. ರಾಜಗೊಬ್ಬ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯಂತೆ. As there was a minister for the king. ಮಂತ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ಬ ಮಗಳಂತೆ. As there was a daughter for that minister. ಮಗಳಿಗೊಂದು ಗೊಂಬೆಯಂತೆ. As there was a doll for that daughter. ಗೊಂಬೆಗೊಂದು ಅಂಗಿಯಂತೆ. As there was the shirt. ಅಂಗಿ means the shirt. As there was the shirt for that doll. ಅಂಗಿಗೊಂದು ಗುಂಡಿಯಂತೆ. Here gundi means shirt button. One more meaning for that gundi is a pathole kind of thing, but in this context it is a shirt button. As there was a shirt button for that shirt. ಗುಂಡಿ ಕಿತ್ತು ಹೋಯಿತಂತೆ. As the shirt button ripped off, ದರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಕರೆದರಂತೆ. As they called the tailor, ದರ್ಜಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದನಂತೆ. As the tailor came and saw that, ಗುಂಡಿ ಬಲು ಹಳೆಯದಂತೆ. The shirt button was very old. As the shirt button was very old, ಬೇರೆ ಗುಂಡಿ ತಂದನಂತೆ. As he brought the different shirt button. ಅಂಗಿಗಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಲಿದನಂತೆ. As he sewed the shirt, ಅಂಗಿ ಸರಿಯಾಯಿತಂತೆ. As the shirt got corrected. ಅಂಗಿ ಸರಿಯಾಯಿತಂತೆ. As the shirt got corrected. ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಗಳ ಆಸೆಯಂತೆ. As the minister daughter desired, ಗೊಂಬೆಗಂಗಿ ಹಾಕಿದರಂತೆ. As the dress was put on to the doll, or the shirt put on to the doll, ತುಂಬ ಚಂದ ಕಂಡಿತಂತೆ. It looked very beautiful. As the doll looked very beautiful. ಗೊಂಬೆಯಾಟ ಆಡಿದಳಂತೆ. As she played with the doll, ಬೇರೆ ಗೊಂಬೆ ತಂದಳಂತೆ. As she brought the new doll. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮದುವೆಯಂತೆ. For both the marriage was there. ಊರಿನ ರಾಜ ಬರುವನಂತೆ. As the king of the town would come, ನಿಂತು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡುವನಂತೆ. He will stand and do the marriage. ನಾನು ನೀನು ಹೋಗೋಣಂತೆ. Let's go. I and you, let's go. ಮದುವೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬರೋಣಂತೆ. Let's see the marriage and come. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು ಗಿರಿ ಬಾಲೆ. This poem is written by ಗಿರಿ ಬಾಲೆ. ಕೇಳಿದ ಪದಗಳು ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದಿ. You have to read the words. Here the intention is to pronounce it properly. ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು, ಮಗಳು, ಹೋಗು. The meaning of ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು means once upon. ಮಗಳು, daughter. ಹೋಗು, go. ತಂದೆ, father. ಚಂದ, beautiful. ಊರು, town. ಗೊಂಬೆ, doll. ದರ್ಜಿ, tailor. ಹೊಲಿ, sew. ಆಟ, game. ಒಬ್ಬ, one person. ಅಂಗಿ, shirt or a dress. ಕರೆ, call. ಆಸೆ, wish. ಮದುವೆ, marriage. ರಾಜ, king. ಗುಂಡಿ, button. ನೋಡು, see or look. ಹಾಕು, put on. ನಿಲ್ಲು, stand. ಮಂತ್ರಿ, minister. ಕಿತ್ತು, ripped off. ಹಳೆಯದು, old. ತುಂಬ, very. ಹೋಗೋಣ, let's go. ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ. ರಾಜ, ಅರಸ means king. ದರ್ಜಿ, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಲಿಯುವವ means tailor. ಚಂದ, ಅಂದ, ಸೊಗಸು, ಚೆಲುವು, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಮಂತ್ರಿ, ರಾಜನ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ, ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ, ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Here you have to see how the words are being pronounced. See here, ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ. How I am stressing the word and the letter ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, you have to be aware of these ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರಾಸ್. ರಾಜಗೊಬ್ಬ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯಂತೆ, ಮಂತ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ಬ ಮಗಳಂತೆ. ಮಗಳಿಗೊಂದು ಗೊಂಬೆಯಂತೆ, ಗೊಂಬೆಗೊಂದು ಅಂಗಿಯಂತೆ. ಗುಂಡಿ ಬಲು ಹಳೆಯದಂತೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಗುಂಡಿ ತಂದನಂತೆ. ಈ ಪದ್ಯಭಾಗದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿರಿ. We have to say the next line of this rhyme. ದರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಕರೆದರಂತೆ, ದರ್ಜಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದನಂತೆ. ಅಂಗಿಗಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಲಿದನಂತೆ, ಅಂಗಿ ಸರಿಯಾಯಿತಂತೆ. ನಾನು ನೀನು ಹೋಗೋಣಂತೆ, ಮದುವೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬರೋಣಂತೆ. Here what you have to be careful about the letter is B. See here, it is called B. B-A. Okay, some children will write it like this, which is wrong. This is O, okay? Know the difference between B and O. See here, Bandu. You have to extend it, okay? If you write it half away, it will become O. Barona. Be careful about this. ಅ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಪದಗಳಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದವನ್ನು ಆ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಆರಿಸಿ ಹೊಂದಿಸಿ ಬರೆ. Here we have to match the following from the list A. This is a list and this is a list, and we have to match for this a list and we have to write it. From this list we have to choose the proper word and we have to write it here. ಊರಿಗೊಬ್ಬ ರಾಜನಂತೆ. This is what ರಾಜನಂತೆ I have written here. ರಾಜನಂತೆ. ಗುಂಡಿ ಬಲು ಹಳೆಯದಂತೆ. See, it is written ಹಳೆಯದಂತೆ. ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಗಳ ಆಸೆಯಂತೆ. ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಗಳ ಆಸೆಯಂತೆ. That's why ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಮಗಳ ಆಸೆಯಂತೆ. ಊರಿನ ರಾಜ ಬರುವನಂತೆ. So I have written ಬರುವನಂತೆ. ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ. ಈ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸು. Pronounce the letter properly. See how I am pronouncing. Be careful. A, E, A, O. These all letters have the long sound, okay? Au, Kh, Gh, Jh. We have to say it little loudly for this. Chh, J, Ph, B, L, M, L, H. ಈ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸು. Pronounce the words properly. Give attention how the letters are being pronounced. ಫಲಕ, ಘಟನೆ, ಭಕ್ತ, The special attention should be given where the Vataksharas are there. Bhakta. Ka has the Vatakshara Bhakta. Bharata. Bhagya. Ga has ya Vatakshara, so Gya. Bhagya. Shakti. Khaga. Ajja. Mantri. Tandalante. Haleyadante. Gombeyante. I hope you like this video. If you like the video and if you feel it is useful, please share it to your friends and subscribe the channel, hit the like button. If you have any doubts, please comment it below. Thank you so much.